Good morning everyone! Welcome to another unboxing vlog, and today, Sean, I am very excited for my GoPro Hero 9. Ayan. So, yes, I am ready. And we're going...
Yeah.
Good. So,
When you told me.
yeah. So, that's the GoPro 9. So, actually, I have GoPro 8 but I sell it and then I bought this Hero 9. Because I like this one because every time I vlog, then I can see myself. And that one, that's the Hero 9. So, let's open it now. I am excited, Sean. So, that's the box. Oh, wow, look at this. Open this. Okay, so let's open. See? And let's open the box. That's it. That's that. Sure. And the box. Yeah, that's it. Wow, I like that. It has. So we're going to open it here. What's inside the box? Now, what's inside the pouch? So, let's open it now, Sean. So, this is it. Wow, look at that, guys. So, what's inside the pouch, or how do you call it, bag or something? So, subscribe to GoPro. Like that. Just put it there. So actually you okay, this is good because you're not you don't need to buy a bag for this or a pouch or something. So that's it. And so let's hold on a minute, Sean. Then this is the camera, how do you call it, mount or something, mount, I don't know. That's the battery. It's a bit heavy compared to the GoPro Hero 8 battery. Then the how do you call this one? I forgot. And then the screw, and then of course the GoPro Hero 9. Take that out. So that's it, guys. I'm very excited because when I vlog, I can see myself. So I don't need a medium mode. No, sorry, I don't need a display mode. So yeah, so I am excited and I'm going to try this tomorrow. Sean, are you excited, Sean? So yeah, that's it, guys. So that's the GoPro Hero and I'm going to try it. So let's remove. So yeah, guys, that's the GoPro Hero 9 and so let's put it back. So ayan, so that's it, guys. So that's the GoPro Hero 9 and then that's the box. And then I got this as well, the 3-way grip arm tripod. So okay, I'm going to open this one as well. So in here, something. Okay. So, alright. Okay. Oh, look what's inside this box? Oh, it comes with a screw as well. So one screw as well. Oh, okay, so that's good. So that's it. My new gadget. So I three-way grip tripod. And then I go for Hero9. So ayan guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try it tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So Shan, thank you. Bye. So alright guys, see you on my next vlog guys with this GoPro Hero9. Thank you and bye.